Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, I will discuss frequently asked questions of Quilgo. The name of Quilgo was previously Timify Me. By using this Google Form add-on, you can set timer for your exam. I got many queries in comment box, in videos, create a quiz and set timer using Google Forms. And also I got some queries in video, Quilgo, timer and proctoring for your online exams with Google Form. So here I am trying to explain all these queries here. Before starting with this, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for the notification. And all these questions from the comment box and the answers from the authorized site https://quilgo.com frequently asked questions. You will get some more explanation on this website also. What is actually the Quilgo? Quilgo is a web service and also a Google add-on that allows you to embed a timer into your Google Forms and collect form submission time. You can set a timer for your Google Form by using this add-on. You need to install this add-on first, then you can use it for your Google Form, for your Google quiz and test. Is it free to use? Everyone is asking the question, is it free to use? Actually, Quilgo is free to use for 100 tests per month. See, here is a premium plan and here, see, free, that is $0 per month, and in that you will get the test quota 100. And when you are using the starter plan $6 per month, then start 7 days trial. In that the different features are hide timers, camera tracking. For proctoring you need a camera tracking, but this feature is included in premium plan, in paid plan only. Custom text and captions, then custom logo and colors. You can use this, and here 1500 tests per month available. And here is a plus $11 plan also and so $21 plan also. In that you can send the 6,000 tests per month. Next question is, does Quilgo work on mobile devices? Everyone is asking this question, is Quilgo is working with the mobile devices or not? But now, oops, it's not possible currently. Okay, the Quilgo dashboard is currently available for desktop and laptops only. By using the mobile, by using the Android, you can view the taste of Quilgo, but it is not possible to see the dashboard to install this add-on on your mobile device. Sometimes the query is, answers be submitted automatically? No, this facility also not available currently on your device. Okay, you need to use the submit button compulsory, then only your answer will be submitted. It's not possible to submit this test automatically. Okay, if there is some interruption, then you need to open this test again and you need to submit it compulsory. Can I set a timer for each question? This is also the question I got 3 to 4 times this in a comment box. But it is not possible to set a timer for each and every question. It is not possible to set timer for individual question. Here you can use the timer for whole test, for the complete form. Next question, automatically submission ID field is added in my form. See, when you are using this add-on, at that time automatically in your Google form the last question is submission ID field. Okay, this question will add automatically, and the purpose of this question is, this question will give you the submission time of each and every form. Once you enable the add-on for your form, the submission ID field will be created automatically, and this field is required to allow Quilgo to fetch submission data. And don't delete these questions. Okay, this required question, you don't need to fill it in this field, and to the instruction to students also, don't fill any data inside this. Sometimes students are trying to delete this thing, but through the instruction previously. When I use the camera tracking feature, it says camera report unavailable. See, when you are using the free plan, then at that time this facility is not available. So you are facing this problem, and the message is camera report unavailable. Next query is, how do I unsubscribe from a trial or a premium plan? See, for this you need to follow these steps. Go to your Quilgo dashboard, then click your email address at the top right corner and choose your plan. And if you have already subscribed, then just click on unsubscribe and follow the instruction to unsubscribe from a trial. Quilgo is not installing. See, sometimes many persons are facing this problem. Quilgo is not installing. I receive a permission error when I try to set up the add-on. See, when you are trying to installing any add-on, then at that time you need to check. If you log in more than one account on the same browser, this problem will happen. So first, sign out from all the accounts and only use a single account. Then try. You can successfully install the Quilgo on your Google Form. Next question is, Quilgo was work in the past but is not loading today. See, this is a successfully you have opened a successfully Quilgo, then at that time the dialog box like this, Quilgo timer and proctoring, configure and help option. But sometimes you will get only the help option, there is a no configure option. Okay. It's possible there is a temporary outage. So for this there is a no solution. So just refresh it, try again in a few hours as the problem may resolve itself. Emails sent via sent days are not being delivered. Sometimes the option is emails sent via sent days are not being delivered. Okay. See, most of the time the students are saying we not got any test mail. Okay, but tell them to check in a spams also. Okay, the most common reason for that is a spam filter. Okay, it's common for organization to set rules against the spam. However, they sometimes cut good emails off as well. So that's why this mail may be inside the spam box. So tell them to check in a spam box also. Is it possible to upload files to my Google Forms? See, we are using the Google Forms for the submissions also. But when you are using the timer, at that time it is not possible to upload the files in that Google Form. This feature is not currently available. How I can deliver a test? See, sometimes I got the many questions about this. See, there are the three ways to deliver the test to the students, to the participant, by using the copy paste option. In that you can copy the individual URL and you can send the message to the individual student by using the emails or instant messenger, or you can use the any convenient method. The second option is send test button. This is the most popular. Just click on the send test and you can send this test. Just copy the URL of this and paste on a group. Okay. If you have a lot of respondents, click the send test button to send the test in bulk. But sometimes this test mail will be inside the spam folder, in the recipient's spam folder. Okay. But for this, this uses a Quilgo quota. Suppose you have the Quilgo quota of the 100 mails or the 200 mails, then it will subtract the number of tests from your quota. But this copy paste feature is a free. Then third option is public form link. You can use this. Share a link with the whole group and let your respondents authenticate securely to access their test. There is authentication is required, email address is required, then only this respondent can open this test. This feature also uses the Quilgo quota. What is meant by actually the Quilgo quota? Okay, see, I had already explained in previous slide. See, there is a Quilgo quota. See, if you are using the free plan, then you can use 100 tests per month. Okay, and if you are using the paid plans like this $6 plan, the starter or plus or pro plan, then see there is a quota 1500. Then for the plus plan there is a 3000, and for the pro there is a 6000. This quota is very important. Why do I need a Google account? When we are installing this Quilgo for our Google Forms, we need a Google account. Why need to allow the different permission? Because here we are saving this, we are using the our Google Forms which is stored on your Google Drive. So to access this Google Form, to create a test record, we need a Google account compulsory, and you need to give the permissions to this add-on to read your drive data. Is it compulsory to give the student's email IDs? I got this question in one video, okay, about this timer. Okay, is it compulsory to give the student's email ID? See, when you are sending the test one by one, at that time you need this email ID. But when you are using the option send test or public form link, no need to enter the student's email ID. Okay, when you are using the option send test or public form link, you can just copy this link and you can paste on a student's group. But if you want to send this test particularly for the particular students, only the 10 students out of 50 students, you need this student email ID, and you can send this form, this test to only particular students. If you search the Timify Me, the Google can't find that add-on. Okay, see, nowadays you will face this problem. Okay, because the previously this Quilgo timer name was Timify Me. Okay, but now the name is changed and now this name is Quilgo. So if you want to add a timer for your Google form, then search for this Quilgo. You will get the different videos about the Timify Me also. See, some rules are the same, but there is no proctoring system. And in Quilgo, you will the feature of proctoring also. Can we make it publicly? Means no required the email address. Okay, yes. When you are using the option send link publicly, no need email address of participant. I got these different queries in comment box, so I am explaining it again and again to solve the each and every one query. What does always in focus or unfocused means in my dashboard? See, when you are giving the test to the students, at that time you will get the record of each and every student test. Okay, so here is some records. See, a timer for your test. Okay, timing is 60 minutes. Okay, accessible via the public form link. I was used the public form link for this test. So here accessible via the public form link. If you are using the same test option or copy paste, this message will be here. Access via public form link, and the timing of this test access timing is this. Then test started at this time, then finish at this time. Okay, so finish in a time 36 minutes, always in focus. See, you will get the this different word always in focus and sometimes unfocused. What is mean by always in focus and unfocused? See, always in focus means how many times. See, focus means how many times your participant left from your browser. So this will prevent your student from the cheating. Okay, you can prevent your test from the sharing or from the cheating. You can observe here, see, always in a focus and the score is 28. Here unfocused 2 times means this particular participant left 2 times, or see here is the explanation. It counts how many times the respondent leave the form. So here 2 times your respondent leave the form. So here unfocused 2 times. While this is an experimental feature, you still may find it useful to gauge the idea on how focused your respondent was while filling out the form. While attempting the test, how many times your participant left from the Google form. Okay, so here is the count for this. Thank you. If you have any more queries, you can type in a comment box. So I will try to solve all the queries. Thank you very much. And please subscribe to my channel and press bell notification for more videos. Thank you very much.